Oh, hey, what's happening, y'all? Dominoes Seven here. I'm wearing a mask because I went somewhere. My temporary mask, this disposable masks and stuff like that. So I'm just here chilling. So so anyway, I'm in Houston, Texas slash Humble, Texas. Yeah, I finally got it right there, folks. Still, okay. I love being out here though. I mean the people is awesome here. There's good apples and bad apples. I haven't seen the bad apples like like in New Iberia and stuff like that. So who's that? Somebody doing that? Watching SpongeBob as far as that. I wish I had a house like this though. I really wish I had a house like this because I would love to you know whatever the case might be. Let me take my mask off. Well, so Jakaya recognized me. I don't even know if Jakaya is gonna watch this video or not. I hope she do. So watching SpongeBob. At least Domino is not so petty. But as far as that, I don't know if I should curse at Dianca for not responding back to me on Facebook or what. I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Not too many people want me to put them on the show. You know. Let's see. All right. So the roast is almost done. Look like. Oh. So so Ronnie, how you? So Ronnie, how you? Ronnie, how you? Say how you enjoying your trip? You on the show?
It's cool. It's cool.
All right. Being careful. So about to go. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay. So. Oh, kinda. About to. Well, I ain't going out there because I don't want the music caught. Sorry. So anyway, y'all, as I was saying, folks. Oh, now I'm back on. Shucks. I don't know why this. I don't know why this keep doing this to me. I don't understand why this keep doing this to me. Huh. So so as I was saying, y'all, I was gonna go out there and then I got cut off and stuff like that. Huh. Shamika, I miss you. I know it's been a few days, but I miss you, Shamika. You know. And for my cousin, or should I say, my close friend Dion, I don't know if I should mention her last name. I don't think she want me to mention her last name. She watched my live stream, so shout out to her. I'm so happy that she was able to watch my video. So Glove World. Look at this. I thought TJ was in here, and TJ left his charger. That's my black charger right there. TJ, where are you? All right. How many times y'all will see this? SpongeBob SquarePants. Yes, indeed. I really enjoy myself. It'd be great if I would have spent time with my close friend Dianca. You know, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, I get mad at her from time to time when I don't hear from her. You know, I just wish we were still living in the same town. So sound like somebody coming up. Oh, it's Ashante, y'all. All right. So Ashante, how you enjoying your stay? Yeah, me too. I'll be back. You know, as some people already know. Yep. So if the law said the same, are you planning on coming back?
Yep.
Oh, Jaree. Hey, Jaree, this is Domino. Jaree, she she's a fan of my show, you know. So she watching me on Facebook Live. I'm in Houston, Texas. Uh-oh. She had just logged off. My friend Jaree just logged off.
Oh man.
Yeah. So I wasn't gonna bring her on camera though. She cool people, you know. She welcomed me to New Iberia, you know. You hear me? And by the way, she met my mama though, thank God. Mm-hmm. She very much aware that my mom passed away. But Tanya not aware of it, you know. You hear me? So so on that note, Tanya not aware about my mama though.
Oh.
I don't know if she gonna think I'm making it up or what.
Are you gonna tell her?
I I don't know how I'm gonna tell Tanya. You know, I don't know how I'm gonna tell her. Some way, somehow, she probably aware.
Right.
I don't know, but I want to tell her to make sure, you know. So she don't think I'm making this up because they're thinking I'm making it up to get sympathy from her, you know.
Right.
Cause you know, this is a shame for me to talk about you on my show, even though you may be watching or somebody will watch and tell you. I'm saying that just in case she's somebody watching, just in case she watching. Tanya, I'm not talking bad about you. You still my friend no matter what, you know. So, all right, I guess I'll see you later. All right, that's my cousin-in-law, ladies and gentlemen. For some of you that don't know, that's my cousin-in-law. You know, Ashanti. You know. So let me go see how them children doing. Okay. Oh, what's going? Oh, look, somebody crying. What's the matter? Shh, be quiet. What's the matter? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Oh well, let me. All right.
Johnny, Cardi isn't. You were right next to Cardi.
I gotta.
You was whining for nothing. Sit right next to her, whining for nothing.
She's
Stop.
looking at me and then she said she wanna touch
Oh
me.
well, all right. All right. I'll be back. Probably just do your thing, and I'll be back.